URL-based web components provide a specific service. This type of web component resides at the location of the URL. So unlike gICAPI web components, you do not need to package any files to support it. PoolDoctors uses a simple URL-based web component as a browser to display a web page containing help information. Let's take a look to see how it's implemented. The form browser.forfd contains a web component form field named LURL. You can set the stretch property to both to allow the web component to fill the entire form or screen. Leave the component type property empty to indicate a URL-based web component where content is determined by the form field value, a URL. An external module, browser.forgl, contains a function named browser that accepts a title and the URL to display. It opens a window with the browser form we looked at earlier and then uses an input statement with the unbuffered attribute to set the LURL form field value defined in the form. The URL displays once the form field value is set. The input statement for the gICAPI splash screen web component contains onAction statements that call the browser function to display a URL. OnAction help calls the browser function and passes it a title help and the URL of a web page to display. OnAction video calls the browser function and passes it a title intro and the URL of a YouTube video. Here at the top of the module is the import statement for the external browser module. If needed, you can control URL-based web components with dedicated front calls and manage user interaction with an onChange block. See the Genero Mobile Developer Guide for details.